What's up, Lemony? You okay? You're a bit bored, are you? Are you a bit bored? Here we go. You gonna come out? What are you gonna do? Gonna come out? Come out if you want to. Come on. What's up? What's up, girl? Hey? Step up. What are you gonna do? Yeah? What's the plan? Come on. Out you come. Oh, yeah. Do you want to step on my finger? Here we go. What's up? You being a good girl today? Should we watch a bit of TV? Do you want to watch a bit of TV with me? Okay. I've got to stand up. You just stand on there for a moment while I stand up, okay? Oh, you don't want to stand on there. Okay, you go on my shoulder, okay? There we go. You on my shoulder while I stand up. Okay. Oh, yeah, a bit heavy. Oh. Here we go. I'm going to sit down now. Okay, I can hear you. Come down here on my end. Oh. Here we go. Step up. Step on Daddy's finger. Oh. Here we go. What you up to? What have you been doing today? Hey? What have you been up to today? Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk to us today? Do you want to talk to us today? What do you want to say?
Oh, do you want me to hold it?
What's up?
Oh, actually, yes, please.
What's up? What's up? Where's Tishy? Where's Tishy? Is she coming to see you? You can. Oh, that's a nice little sound. What are you going to say? Are you going to sing? Are you going to sing?
Hello, Lemony. Hello, Lemony.
Oh, who's that? Who's that? Someone talking to you. Do you want to step on my finger? Oh, okay. Anything you want to say? Do you want to say anything to the camera? Do you want to say anything to your people in YouTube land that think that you're a really beautiful bird? Who's a pretty bird? Who's a pretty bird? Hey, what are you doing? You're not pulling out your feathers, are you? Come on, Lemony. You know what's good, what's bad. Sit on Daddy's finger, okay? Yeah. Now then, what's going on, eh? What's going on, eh? Yeah. Hey. Hey. Look here. You gonna sing a song? You gonna sing a song for Daddy? Lemony. Lemony, look here. Look here. Look here. What's going on? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. Say see you later. See you later.